Hello and welcome. Our topic today is therefore and however. These two words are conjunctive adverbs. They are very important in English, especially in the writing aspect. A lot of people get confused about when to use them. But in this video, I'll show you the exact time to use each of them. Both of them are used to connect two sentences. But the difference is that therefore is used when the second sentence shows result of the first sentence or effect. So whatever happened in the first sentence, the second sentence shows the result or the effect. Okay? We use however when the second sentence shows contrast or opposite. So whatever the first sentence says, the second sentence shows the contrast or the opposite. Okay? One way to remember when to use therefore is that it can replace so or for that reason. So anytime you want to say so or for that reason, you can replace it with therefore. Anytime you want to say but or on the other hand, you can replace it with however. Okay, so however means but or on the other hand, while therefore means so or for that reason. Now, with this information, let's answer these questions. As we do so, you will get clearer understanding. Okay? 1. She did not revise for the exam. Blank. She failed. Here, the second sentence shows the result or effect of the first one. The person did not revise, and the result is that she failed. So this sentence is about result. So the correct word to use when the second sentence shows result is therefore. She did not revise for the exam. Therefore, she failed. 2. The weather was very cold. Blank. They decided to go swimming. Here we have very cold in the first sentence. But the second one talks about going to swim, and that is contrast. It is opposite. Okay? Contrast. Going to swim contrasts with the weather being very cold. So the correct word to use is however. 3. He forgot to set his alarm. Blank. He arrived late at work. Here, the first sentence talks about setting alarm, and the second sentence talks about going to work late. So this is result. The second sentence gives result of what happened in the first one. Not setting alarm resulted to going to work late. So the correct word to use is therefore. He forgot to set his alarm, therefore he arrived late at work. Now remember this, anytime you use therefore or however, you must ensure that you place a comma after them before you continue the sentence, okay? Also remember this, before you introduce therefore or however in a sentence, you must put a full stop and begin however or therefore with a capital letter. But if you decide to put a semicolon after the first sentence, you must begin therefore or however with small letter. Okay? So after full stop, begin with capital letter. After semicolon, begin with small letter. I hope you understand. 4. The project was difficult. Blank. The team completed it successfully. The first sentence talks about the project being difficult, while the second sentence talks about completing it successfully. This is a contrast. If the project was difficult, how come you completed it successfully? So it is a contrast or opposite. That means, however, is the right word. The project was difficult, however, the team completed it successfully. 5. She was feeling sick, blank, she went to the party. Here, someone is feeling sick and still went to the party. That is opposite. So this is opposite or contrast. The correct word to use here is however. She was feeling sick, however, she went to the party. 6. The company made huge profits this year. Blank, they increased workers' salaries. Here we have huge profits in the first sentence, and the second sentence talks about increasing workers' salaries. So this is the effect or the result of the first sentence. Because of huge profit, there was increment of salary. So the right word to use is therefore. The company made huge profits this year. Therefore, they increased workers' salaries. 7. I wanted to help you. Blank. I didn't know how to reach you. Here, someone wants to offer a help, but in the second part of the sentence, the help wasn't offered because there's a problem, not being able to reach the person. So it is contrast or opposite. So the correct word to use is however. I wanted to help you. However, I didn't know how to reach you. 8. He trained every day for 6 months. Blank, he won the competition. Here, we're talking about someone training seriously for 6 months. And what happened? He won the competition. So this is the effect of the training. That means the correct word is therefore. He trained every day for 6 months, therefore he won the competition. 9. The food looked delicious, blank. It tasted terrible. Here we have delicious and we have terrible. The food looks delicious, while the taste is terrible. So, however, is the correct word to use. The food looked delicious, however, it tasted terrible. This is contrast or opposite. Okay? 10. They didn't follow the instructions carefully. Blank. They made several mistakes. I'll leave you to answer this one in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in my next lesson.